protection while we sleep. We pray for healing, for prosperity. We pray for your mighty hand to ease our suffering. All the while, you hear each broken need. Your love is way too much to give us lesser things. 'Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if just of this life, all your mercies in disguise? We pray for wisdom, your voice to hear. We pray in anger when we cannot feel you near. We doubt your goodness, we doubt your love, and you